Hey everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn P tag, which is a paragraph tag. Why we require to use paragraph tag and how simple we can write the P tag, you are going to be focused here. Let's see, earlier lecture we have learned how to write H1 to H6 tags, and now if we are need more information like a text we are presenting, and more information we are going to be adding in our web page to be content description or any profile description or any product information we are going to adding such a scenario, we are going to use P tag. So how we are going to writing P tag means like very simply taking less than P by pressing tab, you will get the P tag, open tag and closing tag. So in between we need to write any text here. Any text we can add here. Let's see. Hello, I'm going to sports academy today and I'm enjoying a lot by playing sports. Who are interested, whichever the information you require, you can add. Someone having sports, someone having music, study, and singing, watching, whichever the interest, you can play the add the own your information. And it would be like before, like open P tag and end P tag. In between we need to add the information over here. So now what I am explaining here, once we prepare a simple information over here, we need to save it by pressing the Ctrl S, and we need to run by open, right click, open in browser. Let's see. Hello, I'm going to adding, it says like a regular default font size, it will be display you. Hello, I'm going to sports academy today and I'm enjoying a lot by playing something sports. Correct. So if I'm added not only a single line, if multiple lines also, see, I'm not having such time like I'm taking whole copy and pasting twice and thrice. Twice and thrice I have added here. So now let's see. Open the browser and refresh here. Yep, refresh. So all are coming this way. All are coming this way, and irrespective of not dividing into a paragraphs, separate paragraphs. So let's see. We'll see in the next lecture how it would be. And not only a single paragraph and a single para information you need not to add here, like n number of paragraph tags you can add. See here, I'll give you a simple information. Open again a paragraph, new paragraph I'm adding. It's not limited. I'm going to explaining a simple thing. It's not limited to a single paragraph. N number of paragraph tags you can add at body tag. Within a body I'm writing all the things. See, this is the end tag and this is the open tag for body. So in between I'm writing this all the tags and all. So here I have added, see, my second paragraph information. So similarly, if I want to add one more paragraph, I can add it by pressing P, my third para information. So similarly, if you are having any information you want to present in a web page, you can add more paragraphs one by one. And similarly, if you want any add like headings, you can add in between these paragraphs. You can add some like you have seen like H1 to H6, which heading you need to present for this particular paragraph, the convenient information, you can add the heading tag. Okay, so now save it and run to see the output. Yeah, save it and refresh. Now see, let's see, it's a simply dividing into multiple paragraphs. I hope you are enjoyed this lecture. We'll see in the next lecture how we are going to be splitting this particular paragraph into multiple lines. Catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.